Amid ongoing speculation surrounding their separation, Moni Roy and businessman Suraj Nambiar are once again making headlines. But this time, Suraj Nambiar has finally broken his silence and strongly reacted to the rumors surrounding their personal lives. For the past few weeks, social media has been flooded with reports about alleged alimony disputes, third-party involvement, and ongoing conflict between the former couple. However, Suraj has now completely denied all such claims and called the reports malicious and baseless. In a detailed statement, Suraj directly addressed the rumors and said, "Baseless reports surrounding our separation have been made in bad taste and are absolutely malicious. Let me set the record straight once and for all. There is no alimony. There are no disputes. There is no third party involved. Moni and I chose to part ways together with mutual respect and with full consideration for each other's well-being. That is the truth. Everything else being reported is fiction, and in some cases, a deliberate attempt to vilify to people who have done nothing but ask to be left alone." His statement quickly went viral online, with many fans praising him for finally speaking up amid the growing controversy. Suraj also expressed disappointment over innocent people being dragged into the matter. Reacting strongly to rumors involving close friends, he said, "I want to state this clearly and finally, there is no truth to any of the claims being made about either of us or about any third party. Dragging other people into this is not cool, especially innocent friends who have nothing to do with this. Moni and I have both conducted ourselves with dignity through this period, and we expect that same dignity to be extended to us by those reporting on it." The businessman further slammed media outlets for spreading unverified stories and added, "Media houses have chosen to fabricate narratives that do not exist. These reports have been published without a shred of verification, which is highly unfair. I am calling this out clearly and directly because staying silent in the face of deliberate misinformation is not something I am willing to do." Suraj concluded the statement by requesting people to respect their privacy and allow both of them to move on peacefully. Earlier, on 14th May, Moni Roy had confirmed her separation from Suraj through a joint statement shared on social media. The actress expressed disappointment over the unnecessary and intrusive attention on their personal lives and revealed that they had mutually decided to part ways. Moni Roy and Suraj Nambiar got married in Goa on 27 January 2022 in both Malayali and Bengali wedding ceremonies. Over the years, the couple often shared happy moments from vacations, celebrations, and dinner dates on social media. Meanwhile, Moni continues to remain one of television and Bollywood's most popular faces, known for shows like Nagin and films like Brahmastra, Part 1 Shiva.